Symptoms of bad fuel injectors. Is your engine misfiring, fuel economy tanking, or exhaust smelling funky? You might be dealing with bad fuel injectors. In this video, we're breaking down the top symptoms to watch for before things go from bad to worse under the hood. Let's dive in. 1. Engine misfires. One of the earliest and most noticeable signs of a bad fuel injector is engine misfiring. When a fuel injector is clogged, dirty, or malfunctioning, it may not deliver the correct amount of fuel to the cylinder. This results in an uneven air-fuel mixture and causes the engine to misfire. You might feel a sudden hesitation, jerking, or loss of power during acceleration. If left unchecked, repeated misfires can lead to further engine damage. 2. Rough idling. A properly running engine should idle smoothly and steadily. If you're experiencing rough idling, where the engine shakes or fluctuates while your car is at a stop, this could be due to a faulty injector. When one or more cylinders aren't receiving the right amount of fuel, the balance is thrown off, resulting in a rough idle. Sometimes, the RPMs may drop too low, and the engine might even stall. 3. Poor fuel economy. Fuel injectors that are stuck open or leaking fuel can cause your engine to burn more gas than necessary. When too much fuel enters the combustion chamber, it not only reduces efficiency, but also increases your fuel costs. If you've noticed a sudden drop in your miles per gallon without a change in driving habits, bad injectors could be the reason. 4. Check engine light. Modern vehicles have an onboard diagnostic system that constantly monitors engine performance. If a fuel injector is not working correctly, it will usually trigger the check engine light. The ECU, engine control unit, will detect the issue and store a trouble code that can be read with an OBDI scanner. Common codes related to injector issues include which correspond to injector problems on individual cylinders. 5. Strong fuel smell. If you detect a strong gasoline smell, either from under the hood or near the exhaust, this might indicate a leaking fuel injector. Fuel may be escaping before it enters the combustion chamber, or it may be entering in excess, causing unburned fuel to exit through the exhaust. Either way, this is not only a performance issue but also a potential fire hazard that needs immediate attention. 6. Excessive smoke from the exhaust. When fuel injectors deliver too much fuel, or fuel is not being properly burned, it can result in thick black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. This is often a sign of an overly rich air-fuel mixture. In some cases, you might also notice white or blue smoke, depending on how the excess fuel interacts with oil or coolant. Excessive exhaust smoke is not only a pollution issue, but also a sign of an inefficient engine. 7. Hard starting or no start condition. In severe cases, a bad fuel injector can prevent your engine from starting altogether. If one or more injectors are completely clogged or stuck shut, the engine may not receive enough fuel to ignite. On the other hand, if injectors are stuck open, they can flood the engine with fuel, leading to hard starts or failure to start. This issue may become more pronounced in cold weather. Visible fuel leaks. If you inspect the engine and see fuel leaking from around the injectors or fuel rail, this is a clear indicator that something is wrong. Cracked injector housings, damaged seals, or loose connections can all lead to fuel leaks. Besides being inefficient, leaking fuel is highly flammable and should be dealt with immediately. Conclusion: bad fuel injectors can lead to a host of issues, ranging from mild performance problems to serious engine damage. If you notice any of the symptoms mentioned, especially if more than one is present, it's a good idea to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Timely maintenance or replacement of faulty injectors can save you money in the long run and keep your engine running smoothly. How to fix bad fuel injectors. 1. Use fuel injector cleaner. Add to a full tank to clean mild clogs. Good for maintenance. 2. Use a cleaning kit. A pressurized cleaner connects to the fuel rail. Deeper cleaning than additives. 3. Replace the injectors. If they're leaking, stuck, or not firing, replacement is best. 4. Replace injector seals. If there's a fuel smell or leak, the O-rings might be worn. 5. Test first. Use a multimeter or mechanic stethoscope to confirm if an injector is bad. Final tip: always diagnose before replacing. Bad fuel injectors can mimic other problems like bad spark plugs, faulty coils, or vacuum leaks. If you're unsure, it's worth running a diagnostic scan or consulting a mechanic before spending on parts.
If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.